What's going on? We are on the way to Mozingo Lake for the Heartland Kayak Anglers tournament on Mozingo. I live 10 minutes from this lake, so not having to travel for this tournament at all. This is kind of one of my home lakes. That being said, I feel like there's a lot of pressure. I'm the only local here. Next closest guy is from St. Joe, so this will be interesting. Kind of feel like I'm defending home turf because the rest of these guys are from South Dakota and Nebraska and Iowa, Kansas. They're from all around, but not from here. Only 3 guys from Missouri in this tournament. Really hoping to see at least one of us from Missouri up at the top of the leaderboard, but we'll see. Apparently these guys are pretty good, so we're going to see how it goes. There we go. Holy cow, how chaotic is that? Wow, barely hooked. Barely free. Yeah, that'll help. That'll help a lot. Good first fish too. The sooner you settle down, the sooner you get back in the water, buddy. Her tail's bloody. Guessing she was on bed. How's it going? Catching any? Crappie? Good. Either. Glad I finished that right now. Well, just lost a 15-incher off the board. I'm gonna have to make up for that. He won't help. It's short. Might go 12. Made another move, got back in this cove, this creek. That's big. Oh my God. Let's go. That was a mess. Holy cow, that was a mess. This guy will not jump off. Will he touch? God, he will, but just barely. All right. Well, 16.5 is better than what I had. All right, guys. Well, I'm having a really tough time keeping a good attitude with this wind blowing like it is. I just had to beach my kayak and let it drain because of how much water I took on. This is really just hellacious, and I would be a little bit better off if I was getting bites. Like, I would be a little bit more positive if I was getting bites, but not. It's very, very slow fishing, very tough conditions, and this wind is doing nothing but aggravate me. I just stopped, drained my kayak, ate a sandwich. Gonna see if I can't start getting my mind back together and hopefully catch a couple of fish while I'm at it. But God, it is 10:41 now. We're fishing till 2, so we got a little over 3 hours left. And I need 3 more fish. I jumped one off about halfway back to the boat and had one jump off the board, so I really need to get just 3 more fish and I'll be happy. They can be line burners. They can be 12 inches. I don't care. It would save my day if I was able to catch a limit. So we're gonna get back to fishing. Don't have the GoPro rolling because I'm about out of battery, but I just caught this guy, this underspin. There's 2 casts in a row that I caught a fish. The first one was like 11 inches, and this guy, so we're still catching fish, slowly. Very, very slowly. Oh shit, I'm standing on my reel. Stop, motherfucker, I'll kill you.